here we will see how to check given or entered number is odd or even. For this we need to use if statement. First, what is mean by even number? The number which is divisible by 2 is called the even number. So if we will check the remainder and it is 0, then we can say that it is even number. So I am taking here one integer variable n, and I am giving one message to user for entering one any number. I am writing only write function. Then in n we accept the value which is entered by the user on command prompt. So this is the function for input, but we need to convert this string into int. So I am writing this convert method. Then we need to check this n is even or odd. For this I am using if n mod 2 is exactly equal to 0, then we can confidently say n is even. So I am writing here message like console.write line, and this n, the value of n will be printed here, and I am concatenated the message with n as n is even. Otherwise, else we say n is not, n is odd, or n is not even, n is odd. And finally we give the condition for getting the character from the user. So console dot read key or read line, this is same as get ch, set c and c++. So this is our program, and I am running this program. We will go to command prompt. So this is our output window, and this is the message enter any number. I am using write function here, so the cursor is on same line. This is a write function. If I am using here write line, my cursor goes to next line. Okay, now I am using here input 34, and 34 is even. Now when I will press any key, then only this program will be completed and we go towards the code window. So I am pressing a key and program main block will be completed, and we are now here inside code window. Again I am running this program for checking the odd number. If I am giving 23, then here is the message 23 is odd. So this is the program for checking the given number is odd or even. Thank you.